Hi beauty. So for today's video I'm going to be reviewing a beautiful palette from Too Faced, and it's the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow highlighting palette. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jen. I'm gonna do swatches and I'm also gonna test it out on the face and we're gonna see how it looks. This is what the packaging looks like. If you're not familiar, Too Faced came out with a peach collection, which I did also purchase the foundation, which I can link up above if you guys want to see it, or if not you can just put Jenz BeautyStyle Too Faced foundation and it will come up. It's $42. I got this at Macy's, but it's also available at Sephora or at toofaced.com. It comes with a mirror. We have a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. It's vegan friendly, cruelty free, and free of gluten. So of course the packaging is freaking gorgeous, like out of this world gorgeous. Smells like peach. If you're not familiar with Too Faced, they do a lot of their products like scented, so like the chocolate palette that I use so much, it smells like chocolate if you love chocolate. This kind of peach is nice. It has the cute little peaches on the actual item. So let's go ahead and swatch, and I'm gonna see, I have oily skin, so I want to see how this looks on my oily skin. I'm gonna swatch the bronzer first, and for the bronzer you get 0.10 ounces. You can't really see it like that, but I'll try to do good swatches. These definitely don't look like they're gonna come off dark whatsoever, so I think if you're really fair you might like this. This is like, yeah, this is not intense whatsoever. Ooh, oh my god, I think I might love this. If you're new to my channel, I love peach blushes. All these colors look very, very light, like not intense whatsoever, but we'll see once we apply it to the face. For the blush, you're gonna get 0.19 ounces, and now let's swatch this beautiful highlight. It's so pretty. That looks, yep. Alright, so that is the swatch. It says it's supposed to give you a glow from within. So let's go ahead and try the bronzer, and we're gonna see how this looks on the face. Is bringing back some color to my face. I like it. I don't think it's too intense, which is great if you have a heavy hand. Oh my god, and you can smell the peach. Like I said, I don't die for peach, but this is okay. It's good. For the beautiful blush, my favorite blush, guys, is peach. My favorite is like from Milani. I'll link that up above if you want to see it as well. Alright, I'm so excited for this blush. Pretty. Look at that. That is really pretty. If you love a peach blush, I think you will really love this. Like, look at that. Look how dead I was looking before, and look at it now. It's blending really good. It doesn't look like powdery or anything. Oh my god, let's try this highlighter. Alright, so you ready, guys? Let's see if it's gonna impress us. Oh yes. Just looks really nice. It doesn't just like sit on the face. Put some more here. I also think like if you would wet it, it would look even more intense if that's a look you're going for. This is my third palette that I have that has a bronzer. It's like a contour kit. I don't know why they call it highlight. Maybe because it's just glowy, but this is a contour kit. You're getting a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. I like it. I really like it. Those are the swatches. This is what it looks like on. Like you see, it doesn't look too intense. I don't think it's making me look extra oily or dewy or anything like that. It's just a beautiful glow. For the bronzer and the blush, it doesn't look like too glowy or anything. If you're scared, if you have oily skin like myself, if it's gonna look too, like, you know, it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.